Arf arf to you. I'm Lulu, the PC problem-solving poodle, and I'm brought to you by Computer Secrets Confessions of a Computer Tech, the best computer help book ever written. I'm also brought to you by SecondSourceComputers.com. They buy, sell, trade, or repair your broken notebook. Now, if you are having a sound problem, the first thing to do is check on the taskbar on the bottom right of the screen and look at the little speaker icon and see if there's a line through it or an exclamation point. If there is, you have to deal with that because most likely there's some type of software or it may be muted. Remember, there are no bad computers, only bad human owners. Arf arf.